guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you another website where you can be making money by just completing simple tasks. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, I'll say you should click on that subscribe button, because what I do on this channel is I share digital skills. I share websites and apps that you can use to make money online. Okay, I help people create online business from scratch, and if this sounds like something you're very interested in, I will say you should hit on that subscribe button and also tap on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos on this channel you get notified by YouTube and you get to learn whatever I teach in the video. Okay, so first thing first, I would say you should go to the comment section and comment make money online. Okay, before I show you how this platform works, go and comment make money online. Okay, so what this platform is all about is what you're going to be doing on this platform is just complete simple tasks and you make money in dollars. Okay, so this platform actually works all over the world. It works worldwide. Okay, no matter the country you're from, provided you have access to the internet and you have a smartphone, you can be making money on this platform. Okay, so let me just show you some of the things you can be doing on this platform and be making money for yourself. Okay, so you can see list of some things you can do on the platform. You can see by inviting friends you can make $15. By testing apps and games you can make up to $60. Do easy and free surveys, you can make up to $120. Sharing posts on Facebook, you can make up to $45. Post on Instagram, you can make $40. Post on TikTok, you can make $80. Post on Snapchat and YouTube. Okay, so there are lots of things you can do on this platform and make money. Okay, so the name of this platform is SocialDm.co. Okay, so don't click out this video and just go and sign up yourself. Okay, because you're not going to get how you can make money here. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can complete these tasks. Okay, it actually takes process. Okay, you can't just sign up and do everything all by yourself. You're going to make a lot of mistakes. Okay, so just stick to this video and make sure you watch it to the end. Okay, so if this video sounds like something you're beginning to like, I'll say you should just click on that like, just give this video a thumbs up, just hit on that like button right now, so I'll be encouraged to do more videos like this. Okay, so let's just if I show you how to create an account on this website, I will just show you how to complete the simple tasks and make money for yourself. Okay, so let's start with the Facebook. Okay, let's start with testing apps and games. So once you just click on it, it's going to show you options. It's going to show you options, okay, and how you can complete the tasks. Okay, so you can see here, this is an app, this is 𝐅𝐑𝐻 app, and you can see the instruction they give: download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. You're going to earn $40. That is the instruction. Okay, so once you just complete this, you're going to earn $40. It's going to be added to your dashboard after some minutes. Okay, so here they say download and install this app. This is a Bible app. Okay, so once you just download and install it, you're going to get this $40 added to your dashboard. Okay, there are limits to how many apps you can download per day. Okay, you can't just download more at much app every day. Okay, so you can see there are limits to downloads you can do every day. Okay, but on each download you do, you're going to get $40. Okay, so let's check another option or another way you can make money on this platform. This is just by testing and downloading apps. You can make up to $40 on each app you download. Okay, so let's go back and check surveys. Okay, this is survey. This actually has a whole lot of money. This is like $120 on each survey you successfully complete. Okay, so once you click on the survey, you're going to still see options. Okay, this is like the app option. Okay, the survey option, these are the things you're going to see in the survey options. Okay, you can just click on it and you're going to see the options. You can see questions they're going to ask you. All you just do is provide simple answers to these questions. Okay, they are not hard questions, they are questions that will help them rebuild their brands and all that. Okay, they are just simple questions, and when you provide the answers, you just answer to the end, you're going to get your $40 added to your dashboard immediately. Okay, so the next way you can earn on this platform is by posting on social media. Okay, you can see post on Facebook, you can see, just if this is what you want to do, you just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to open and you see different options. Okay, if you're posting on your Facebook timeline, you're going to get $45. If you're posting on your Facebook story, you get $15. If you're posting a video, you're getting $30. Okay, so let's try this and see the options we're gonna get. Okay, so the instructions they give here is okay, I say use your own content or choose one of our social banners page and post it on your Facebook account. While creating a Facebook post, use the caption below and include your invite link in your Facebook auto bio or section. Okay, and the third option here is, once finished, enter the URL of your post below and earn $45. Okay, so this is what this means. If you're going to be completing this task, you're just going to click on this on this blue option here. So once you click on it, you're going to see different banners you can use to post. Okay, it's actually about the platform. You can select or download any of these banners and you create content around it. Once you create a content around it, you post on your Facebook page. Okay, so once you post on Facebook, after posting it, you're just going to screenshot. Okay, you're just going to screenshot you're just going to copy the link of the post you posted. Okay, once you copy the link, you come and paste the link here. Okay, so once you paste the link here, you submit. They're just going to take some hours to review it. So once they review it, the $45 is going to be paid to your dashboard after the review has been approved. Okay, so this is how you can post on your Facebook timeline. Okay, so let's check the next option here, where you can still, or how you can make money on this platform. Okay, you can do make $40 by posting on your Instagram. Okay, so let's see the process for Instagram. So here they say earn $40 per post, $20 per reel, and $15 per story. Okay, so the $40, let's just click on it and see the process. Okay, so it's just the same process with that of Facebook. Okay, just the same process with that of Facebook. You click here, you get the banner, you can use their content and you can create your own content, and once you're done, you copy the link of the post and you paste it here for review. So once you paste it, you submit, and it's going to take some hours, and after reviewing, you're going to just get your money paid to your dashboard. And remember, before you sign up to this platform, I'm going to be dropping the link of this platform in the description of this video. Okay, so once you sign up using my link, you're going to get a welcome bonus worth $25. Okay, I think 25 or $40 you're going to be paid as a welcome bonus if you use my link. Okay, so make sure you don't just click on this video and start going to the website yourself. Okay, so you're just going to miss the bonus. So you don't want to miss this bonus, make sure you use my link. Okay, so if this video is sounding like something you're interested in, something you're beginning to gain value from, something you love, just give this video a like and go to the comment section. Comment make money online. Okay, comment make money online. And if you're new to this platform, I will say you should just click on that subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Okay, so I'll be dropping more videos that will help you make money and build an online business. Okay, so click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well, so you won't miss any content I'm going to be dropping soon. Okay, so now now you know how you can make money by posting on Facebook and Instagram. So let's go back and check other options. Okay, so let's check the TikTok. Here you can make up to $80 per post. Okay, so TikTok here, it's just one option, and let's click on it and see the instruction. Okay, they say use your own unique idea content to create TikTok video and explain how easy it is to earn with SocialDm. Show off how much you have made on SocialDm and how your friends or your followers on TikTok can earn too. Some banners that might be helpful can be found here. Okay, so once you click here, you're going to get some flyers you can use to make a post on this. Okay, you can actually use their content. You just copy it and then make the post. So after making the post, you copy the link and just come and paste it here, then you submit. It's almost the same process for all the platforms. Okay, almost the same process, but you just have to read through it before you start. Okay, so you're not going to just miss any of the steps. Okay, because if you miss any of those steps, you might not receive your money on your dashboard. Okay, and another way you can earn on this website is by inviting your friends. Okay, you can earn $15 on each person that signs up on this website using your referral link. Okay, so if you sign up 3 people, that's like $45. Sign up 6 people, that's like $90 for you. Okay, so that's actually a cool money. Yeah, it's actually a cool money. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure you let me know that you like it. Let me know, just drop it in the comment section. Let me know that you like this video, and if you're going to try it out, let me know you're going to try it out. If you're going to prefer starting with the Facebook post or the Instagram, TikTok, just drop it on the comment section. Okay, drop it on the comment section. Let me know what exactly you're going to start with. Okay, so here you can see I have $40. That's because I was just testing out the website. I've not actually gone through or done much of these tasks. Okay, so um I'm going to do another video. After I might have completed more tasks, and I'll add my payment method and all that. Okay, so let me show you how you can add your your payment detail. Okay, let me show you how you can add your payment detail. There are lots of payment detail here you can use to withdraw your earning. Okay, there are lots of payment. Okay, so once you tap on these three button at the side of the website, you just come here, click on withdraw. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, you're going to just see this option showing up that you've not added your payment method yet. So just click on it and you're going to see options. Okay, you can see I've not added my payment method, so you can see the options they have. They have PayPal, they have Cash App, they have Venmo, they have Zelle, they have Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, they have mailed check. Okay, so any of these payment method works. Okay, so once you have any of them, you can just provide the details here, and whenever you want to withdraw your money, you just click on withdraw and your money will be paid directly to whatever details you have provided already. Okay, so I'm going to be ending this video here, and I will see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Okay, click on that subscribe button. You don't want to miss my next video. Okay, so click on that subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video.